Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do personalization on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you need to do is just right click on your desktop, then just click on personalize, then just maximize this menu. Then from here, you can change your background to any solid color if you want. Just change it to any solid color, or you can change it to any picture. Just select any picture from here. Or what you can do is just go to colors. And from here, you can change your Windows mode to light or to dark, whatever you prefer. And you can also choose the app mode to dark or light. You can turn on and off the transparency effect. And you can also change your accent color from here. And other things you can do from here is just go to themes. And from themes, you can just install different kind of themes from here. You can get more themes from Microsoft Store. Then you can go to fonts. You can change your Windows font from here, and you can customize your taskbar and your lock screen from here as well. And that is how to do personalization on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.